Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can change your computer password or your Windows 10 password. So first let's go to our search tab and let's type settings. We'll open the settings under trusted Microsoft Store applications and we will go to accounts. We'll go on the left sidebar and we will look for signings options. And here we will click under password section, change your account password. We'll click change. So now you will have to enter your current password, which you are using to log in currently to your computer, and we'll click next. And here you will have to enter your new password. Make sure that it is a combination of capital letters, small letters, numbers, and signs or symbols so that no one can guess your password. And now after entering the new password 2 times, we will give a password hint to try to guide us. If we forget our password, the password hint will try to guide us through, for example, a sentence to find our password. And we're gonna just click next. Now our password has been changed, and next time when we sign into our computer, we'll be asked or prompt for the new password. So for instance, we'll just click finish and the password has been updated. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. You can always try to go through the settings and remember that you can either use a PIN, which you can always add. You will have to enter the new password. And here you can set up numbers as a PIN, or you can always include letters and symbols. Or you can set up a more dynamic password, which is picture password, and you can always add a picture and use it as a password. So every time when you try to connect to your computer, you will be prompted to choose the correct pictures, and if you put the correct pictures, then that's your password and you will be able to log in. For instance, I will just close this. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you. I hope you didn't get lost through the video. If you get lost, then you can just restart this video and it will be more clear for you. And if you still need help or assistance, you can always send us an email or leave us a comment and we will do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to produce more videos, then you can always press like, share, and you can always subscribe to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.